Hello everyone, welcome back to Engine channel. In today's video I will show how to perform a factory reset in this LCD Ebike S866. This is a common display used in several brands of e-bikes, and for this I will show exactly the procedure to restore all the data. This will be useful if in case that you have some error that you want to clear, or some well size or something that you want to restore. But you need to be careful, and probably will be good if you can write down all the parameters before to proceed with this action, because you can have some misconfiguration after the factory reset. Okay, so first of all I will show before some changes that are already done in this LCD display. The first one is the indication of miles per hour of the speed. So the standard is kilometers per hour. So after the factory reset, we'll restore 4 kilometers per hour. The other thing that was changed in this LCD display is the assist levels. Now you can see that we have 9 assist levels, but the factory default is 5. Also we have the battery voltage. Now we have configured as nominal voltage of 24 volts. So now the bar graph is almost completely full. After the reset we'll go to 0 because the nominal voltage of this display is 36 volts. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. I will turn off the display. Let's turn on, holding the power button for 2 seconds. Then you need to navigate, pressing these 2 buttons together and holding plus and minus, and then you can navigate until the parameters, pressing the power button. You need to go until the P16. Okay, let's navigate, and then you found the P16. This parameter is the odometer. So when you reset to the factory, you will reset also the odometer. Important thing, you cannot wait too long, because in this case the configuration menu will exit after some while and return to the main screen. So let's go again. We are already in P16 parameter. Then you just need to press and hold the plus button, and then everything was restored for the factory. As you can see, we have changed by factory default the kilometers per hour, the speed indication. The number of assists now is only 5, and also the battery voltage, nominal voltage, now is 36 volts. So as you can see, the bar graph is total empty. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope that this will be useful for you in case that you need to proceed with the factory reset, but you need to be careful to don't misconfiguration your e-bike. That's it for this video. I hope that you enjoy, and please consider to subscribe to the channel if you like this content, and see you soon.